The End of Prompting, Anthropic's Internal Onboarding Secret. Welcome, everyone. Today we are pulling back the curtain on something truly extraordinary. We are diving deep into what is essentially a confidential internal playbook from Anthropic, the brilliant minds behind the Claude artificial intelligence platform. Now, when most of us think about using AI, we think about traditional prompting, which means trying to find the perfect combination of words in a chat window to get the response we need. But what if I told you that the people who actually built Claude do not use it that way at all? They have moved completely beyond the trial and error of everyday prompts, entering a new era that they refer to as their internal onboarding secret. This presentation is all about revealing exactly how the creators of Claude use their own AI to achieve mind-boggling efficiency and how you can apply these identical, real-world strategies to your own daily work to completely transform your productivity. The financial review. 90 to 95% finished before anyone even looks at it. To give you a clear sense of just how powerful this secret is, let us look at a stunning metric shared directly by Krishna Rao, the Chief Financial Officer at Anthropic. He revealed that a single custom AI skill now produces the company's entire monthly financial review, leaving it 90 to 95% finished before a human being even lays eyes on it. Think about that for a moment. The monthly financial review, or MFR, is easily the most heavily scrutinized, complex, and high-stakes document that any corporate finance team has to produce. It is usually an exhausting mountain of spreadsheets, raw numbers, and intensive compliance analysis. Yet, by deploying a system of over 70 custom Claude skills inside a single shared repository, their finance department has turned this monumental chore into an almost entirely automated process. It is the ultimate proof that this approach is not just a minor trick. It is a fundamental shift in how modern business operations can be run. The manual grind versus the skill execution. To appreciate this massive shift, we have to look at the stark contrast between what we call the manual grind and automated skill execution. We all know the manual grind intimately because we live it every day. It is that exhausting cycle of manually pulling data from different places, fixing broken formatting, drafting text from scratch, and constantly tweaking tiny details until they look right. It consumes hours upon hours every single week, acting like a slow drain on our creative energy. But when you transition to skill execution, all of that operational mess is distilled into a clean, single, automated output block that takes just 30 minutes to complete. Alice Fong, the corporate finance lead at Anthropic, perfectly captured this transformation when she explained that the real shift here is moving from building to reviewing. Instead of spending your entire week laying the heavy bricks, you get to step back, act as the final architect, and simply review the finished structure, saving 10 to 20 hours every single week. Stop prompting, start onboarding. So what is the core philosophy here? It is simple. Stop prompting and start onboarding. Think of a standard prompt like a crumpled Post-it note. It is fleeting, temporary, and represents a single-use memory. Every time you start a new conversation window, you have to retype your instructions, re-explain your formatting rules, and remind the AI of your specific guidelines, which is incredibly inefficient. A skill, on the other hand, is like a permanent, beautifully organized digital binder. It is an encoded folder containing explicit instructions, scripts, and comprehensive resources that Claude can discover and load entirely on its own, exactly when a specific task requires it. When you build a skill, you stop re-explaining yourself. The AI learns your exact layout, your unique operational rules, and your preferred workflow just once. From that moment on, it behaves exactly like a highly trained, deeply loyal employee who remembers every single detail of their training from day one. The shift, prompts versus skills. Let us break down this profound shift across 4 critical dimensions: cognitive load, context retention, scalability, and execution. When it comes to cognitive load, prompts force you to manually retype or copy-paste your instructions every single time you want something done, while skills allow you to write the procedure once and never think about it again. For context retention, a prompt is completely forgotten the second you close the conversation window, but a skill is permanently encoded directly into the system architecture. Looking at scalability, prompts are totally isolated to a single user's account, whereas skills live in a shared team repository where anyone on your team can leverage them instantly. Finally, in terms of execution, standard Standard prompts are limited strictly to simple text generation, but skills can bundle complex automated scripts and data payloads together. It is like comparing a temporary sticky note to a fully operational institutional software. Please type your script texter tool that grows more valuable over time. How 70 plus skills don't break the context window. Now, you might be wondering how an AI can handle 70 or more unique skills simultaneously without getting confused or running out of memory, which engineers call breaking the context window. The secret lies in a brilliant 3-step funnel system built on smart filter logic, process flow, and specific activation points. The first phase is startup, which acts as the trigger. Here, Claude does not read all 70 skills at once. Instead, it only scans a tiny index containing each skill's name and a basic one-line description, costing a negligible 100 tokens per skill. The second phase is match. The exact second your conversation request matches that specific one-line description, Claude automatically goes into the background, opens up the full markdown file, and reads the comprehensive procedure, which takes less than 5,000 tokens. The final phase is execution, where Claude pulls in extra data payloads or runs bundled scripts completely invisibly behind the scenes, meaning the underlying code never even enters your chat window. This means you can install 100 different skills, and they will remain completely in please type your script text visible and entirely free until the exact fraction of a second they are needed. The anatomy of a skill. To understand how to build one of these, let us look closely at the precise anatomy of a skill, which is simply saved as a basic text file called Skill.md inside a dedicated folder structure. Every successful skill is built out of 3 distinct, easy-to-understand components. First is the trigger, which is a tiny text header at the very top of the file describing exactly when the AI should activate this capability, such as instructing it to use this routine whenever a user asks what is changed in a document. Second are the instructions, written in plain English using clean formatting, which detail the exact step-by-step logic, specific layout styles, and the precise conversational tone required for the final output. Third are the payloads, which are completely optional but incredibly powerful because please type your script text. They allow the injection of live data or automated execution commands. For example, a payload can automatically run a technical comparison command like a get diff and drop the live results straight into the conversation, seamlessly blending reasoning with active technical automation. The finance playbook, automating the mundane. Let us look at how this plays out in the real world by examining the Anthropic finance playbook, which is a masterclass in separating human intelligence from repetitive tasks. They view work as 2 distinct stacked layers, the integrity layer on the bottom and the narrative layer on top. The integrity layer is handled entirely by the AI, which takes care of raw data extraction, structural formatting, checking formulas, and building out the base sections of a report. Because the AI acts as an unshakable foundation holding up the data integrity of the work, the human team members are freed up to focus 100% of their energy on the narrative layer on top, applying their personal judgment, deep strategic insights, and careful qualitative reviews. A perfect example of this is their weekly revenue and compute report. What used to be a grueling, hours-long manual task of compiling data and formatting tables has been reduced to a swift 30-minute review process because Claude manages the underlying framework flawlessly, letting Alice Fong focus entirely on the strategic narrative. The legal playbook, cloning judgment. Another incredible application is the Anthropic legal playbook, which focuses on a concept they call cloning judgment. In most companies, when an employee creates marketing copy or needs a basic contract reviewed, they have to send it to the legal team, resulting in a frustrating bottleneck that takes days. Anthropic solved this by building a self-serve tool right inside Slack, where employees submit their documents directly. The system utilizes automated skill routing, meaning Claude instantly identifies the request and loads a highly specialized practice area skill, whether it is for employment law, commercial contracts, or user privacy, with each one trained on over 10 historical internal legal memos. From there, the AI performs a rigorous analysis, checking the text against real, established contract. Please type your script text, operate legal guidelines regarding rights, accuracy, and trademarks. Finally, it delivers an instant output containing clear, low, medium, or high-risk flags, along with the exact textual fixes required. Because Mark Pike cloned his personal legal judgment into these skills and handed it to the entire organization, their internal turnaround time plummeted from 3 full days down to under 24 hours. The 5-minute setup. The best part about this entire framework is that setting it up is incredibly simple, taking less than 5 minutes of your time through a straightforward 3-step process. Step 1 is to create the folder by making a directory on your computer using a quick terminal command to establish your skills folder path. Step 2 is to write your Skill.md file where you type out that crucial one-line trigger phrase and your detailed, plain English operational instructions. Step 3 is execution, where your new skill will either trigger automatically during a natural conversation or run instantly on demand when you type the skill name in brackets. There are just a few simple directory rules to keep in mind depending on how you want to use them. Personal skills live locally on your machine. Team skills are placed directly within a shared project repository so your coworkers can access them. And if you prefer using the standard web interface, you can simply upload your skill folder as a basic zip file directly onto the Claude website to activate it instantly. Operational security protocol. Because these skills are so deeply integrated into business workflows, it is absolutely essential to follow a strict operational security protocol. The core golden rule here is that you must always treat new AI skills exactly like software installations. You have to remember that skills are not just passive, harmless blocks of text. Because they can bundle advanced scripts, they possess the genuine ability to execute live code and call powerful internal company tools. For this reason, Anthropic enforces a strict corporate rule. You must only install or activate skills that come from verified, trusted sources. You should never, under please type your script text any circumstances, copy and paste a random skill file you found floating around on the internet directly into a secure corporate work computer. Treating your skills with the same security vigilance you would give to an unknown application download ensures your data remains completely safe while you scale up your automation. The Copy This Starter Checklist. Let us look at how you can get started right now using our Copy This Starter Checklist, which breaks things down into 3 highly actionable moves. First, you can make the finance move by identifying just one scheduled report that you currently rebuild completely by hand every week or month and turning its formatting, layout, standard sections, and core data sources into a permanent skill with the ultimate goal of reviewing the output rather than rebuilding it from scratch. Second, you can make the legal move by taking your official company brand guidelines, your internal software coding standards, or your specific hiring bar documentation and transforming them into an automated review skill that scans new materials and immediately returns clear risk levels and precise corrections. Third, you can choose to start micro by simply picking one single repetitive task that you are completely sick of constantly re-explaining to your AI assistant and taking 5 minutes to create one folder and one basic text file today to lock that knowledge in forever. The paradigm has shifted. Ultimately, we have to recognize that the paradigm has completely shifted around us. The high-performing teams who are currently running circles around everyone else in their industries are not doing it because they possess some magical ability to write better, more clever individual prompts. They are winning simply because they stopped wasting time re-explaining themselves over and over again and instead took the time to write their processes down once in a structured, permanent format. The ultimate takeaway is to treat your artificial intelligence exactly like a talented new human hire. Stop throwing random, disjointed instructions at it every morning and instead focus your energy on building a comprehensive, permanent onboarding dossier. By doing this, you will empower your AI to handle the heavy lifting perfectly every single time, allowing you to confidently reclaim 20 hours of your week and focus on the strategic work that truly matters.